Welcome back to Saif Sheikh's channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide on shortcut keys for shutdown, how to shut down PC or laptop using keyboard. These shortcuts can save you time and make your life a little easier. So let's get started. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. First up, we have the Alt plus F4 method. This is one of the simplest and most commonly used shortcuts for shutting down your computer. Here's how it works. Press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard while you're on the desktop screen. A Shutdown Windows dialog box will appear. Select Shutdown from the drop-down menu and click OK or press Enter. And that's it. Your computer will shut down immediately. Let's explore why this method is so handy. The Alt plus F4 method works from anywhere within the Windows environment. It's particularly useful when you have multiple applications running and want to close them before shutting down. Instead of manually closing each application, you can simply press Alt plus F4 and the dialog box will guide you through closing all active applications before shutting down. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe to Saif Sheikh's channel and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Next, we have the Control plus Alt plus Delete method. This method is useful if your computer is unresponsive or if you have multiple programs running. Here's what you need to do. Press Control plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. A new screen will appear with several options. Click on the power button in the bottom right corner. Select Shutdown from the pop-up menu. Your computer will shut down right away. This method is particularly useful in situations where an application has frozen or is not responding. The Control plus Alt plus Delete screen provides a way to access important system functions, even when regular input is not working. Plus, you can also access Task Manager from this screen to end any unresponsive processes before shutting down. Another handy shortcut is the Windows key plus X method. This method uses the Power User menu to shut down your computer. Follow these steps. Press the Windows key plus X on your keyboard. The Power User menu will open. Press U to expand the shutdown options. Press U again to select Shutdown. And just like that, your computer will power off. The Power User menu is a quick way to access various system settings and functions, including the shutdown option. This method is especially useful for those who prefer navigating through keyboard shortcuts instead of using the mouse. If you're finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you prefer a custom shortcut, you can create one using a batch file. Here's how. Open Notepad and type shutdown/s/t0. Save the file with the name shutdownpc.bat and select all files from the Save as Type drop-down menu. Download and install PowerToys from GitHub. Open PowerToys and enable the Keyboard Manager. Click on Remap a shortcut and assign your custom shortcut to the batch file. Now you have your very own custom shutdown shortcut. Creating a custom shortcut allows you to personalize your shutdown process. You can even create shortcuts for different shutdown options, such as restarting or logging off, by modifying the batch file commands accordingly. This method offers flexibility and convenience for power users who want a more tailored experience. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to shut down your Windows PC or laptop using keyboard shortcuts. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.